I'm not good at holding back.
Let's go! Check this out! Take this!
Alex, right toward the abyss.
Just stay dead. You see, it got away. Could you two be any slower?
Don't worry, their nesting ground should be up ahead.
How do you know?
Oh, actually, I was curious about the thefts in Engave and did a little looking. Cheagles are intelligent and peaceful creatures. It's not like them to steal food.
Well, looks like we're both headed to the same place then.
The two of you came here to investigate the Cheagles too?
I'm not gonna just let people accuse me of things I didn't do. And you're coming with us.
Really? You don't mind?
How can you think of taking Phone Master Ian somewhere so dangerous?
Then what do you want to do with him? He'll just come wandering back here on his own.
I'm sorry, I just have to know. Cheagles are the sacred beasts of our order after all.
See? Besides, we can't just leave a guy with a face so pale he looks like he's about to die.
Oh, thank you so much. You're such a nice person, Luke.
No, I'm not. Now quit saying stupid stuff and let's go.
Okay.
And don't use that weird art again. You damn near passed out. We'll take care of the fighting.
You're gonna protect me? Sir Luke, I'm so moved.
That's not what I meant. You'll just be in the way. Don't get all worked up over it. And it's just Luke, got it? Now let's go.
Okay, Luke.
You're dead! Guess that does it. So that's a Cheagle?
It looks like it's still a child.
It's so cute.
Hey, it ran away!
It is a wild animal after all.
This must be the Cheagle's nesting area.
I do hope we can find some proof they stole food from the village.
Those stupid things probably left proof all over the place.
Let's explore a little. These apples have the mark of Engave on them.
So, these guys did do it!
I think I hear something inside this tree.
Cheagles live inside tree trunks.
Phone Master, that's too dangerous.
This kid is hopeless.
Please, let me through. Mew mew! Mew mew mew!
Like the monsters are gonna understand you.
The Order's founder, Yulia Jue, made a pact with the Cheagles and gained their aid. Or so I've been told. Mew mew. Mew mew. Are you of relation to Yulia Jue?
Whoa, that monster talked!
It is the power of the ring we were granted as part of our pact with Yulia. Are you of relation to Yulia? Yes, I'm Ion, Phone Master of the Order of Lorelei. Am I correct in assuming that you're the Cheagle Elder? Indeed, I am.
Hey, monster, you guys stole food from Engave, right?
I see now. So you've come to exterminate us.
So you don't deny it.
Cheagles are herbivores. Why do you need to steal human food? To preserve the Cheagle tribe.
It doesn't look like you lack food. There's plenty of vegetation in this forest.
One of our members caused a fire in the northern region. As a result, the Ligers that lived there moved down to this forest in order to prey on us. Then the reason you stole the food was so your people wouldn't be eaten. Correct. If they aren't sent food periodically, we Cheagles are captured and eaten. That's horrible.
And totally not our problem. If you're weak, you're food. That's how it works. Besides, I'd be mad too if you torched my land.
That may be true, but this is hardly a normal food chain.
Luke, we've confirmed that the thieves are Cheagles. What do you want to do now?
What else? We're gonna drag these guys down to Engave and...
But if we do that, the Ligers will likely attack Engave next in search of food.
I don't care what happens to that stupid village.
That's not acceptable. Food from Engave is shipped throughout the entire world, not just the Malkuth Empire.
Then what do we do?
Let's negotiate with the Ligers.
With monsters?
Can those Liger things talk too?
We can't talk to them directly, but if we take one of the Cheagles with us as a translator... Then, I shall lend this sorcerer's ring to the one who will be your interpreter. Mew, 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 mew.
What the?
This child is the one who caused the fire in the north. I want you to take him with you. Pleased to meet you.
Something about this thing is really annoying.
I'm sorry.
Oh, you're gonna drive me nuts. I should just roast you and eat you right now.
everyone watch this!
Whoa! He breathed fire!
Neat, huh?
What was that?
I can breathe fire, so I'm useful for more than just interpreting. I'm going to work extra hard to make up for all the trouble I caused my friends.
That's right. I'd forgotten the Cheagles were a fire-breathing species.
Yes, we are, but mine is special.
Special?
I'm still a child, so I can't actually breathe fire. But the Sorcerer's Ring! Thanks to that, I can breathe fire. And no matter how much fire I breathe out, I never get tired.
So the Sorcerer's Ring is good for more than just translation, huh?
It was originally made to amplify phonic arts. It's a type of capacity core.
But a flame of that size isn't going to be of much use in battle.
Mew!
Yeah, but come on, breathing fire, that'll be fun! Hey you, Thing!
Luke, that's horrible.
Oh, shut up, it's fine for this little freak. Listen up, Thing. When I give the order, you spit fire. Got it?
Mew! Yes, sir.
The Liger's lair is up ahead, right?
Yes! We cross the river and keep going.
How are we supposed to cross the river when there's no bridge?
We'll just have to wade through the river.
Are you serious? My shoes, my clothes, everything will get drenched. No way.
Fine. You can stay here. Someone who cares that much about his clothing would just get in the way.
Excuse me? Hey, Thing. Breathe fire on that tree's roots.
Mew!
You heard me. Breathe fire already.
Mew, mew, mew! Fire!
What do you think of that?
I see. The tree's roots were rotten. Excellent thinking, Luke.
This is nothing.
Indeed. Mew is the one who deserves thanks.
Hey!
I thought it was nothing for you. And stop yelling. Phone Master Ion, shall we be on our way?
Oh, right. Luke, cheer up. Come on, let's get going.
Let's go!
Shut up.
Mew!
Hey, Ion.
Yes?
How'd you learn strong moves like that art you used earlier? Could I learn to do that too?
That was a Dothic phonic art. You see, it's...
Wait, I don't need some long explanation. Just tell me if there's some easy way to get stronger.
You're unbelievable.
What?
Please, don't fight. I'll tell you an easy way to become stronger.
Really? How?
What kind of capacity core do you use, Luke?
Capacity core? What's that?
You don't know?
He's somewhat ignorant about the world.
Well, excuse me.
Then take this, Luke.
Is this a capacity core?
Yes, you can think of it as an accessory with a phonic art applied to it. Your body's abilities will increase in accordance with the phonic verse inscribed. These days, even regular citizens wear them as fashion accessories.
So if I put this on, I can use that art you used earlier?
I'm sorry, only phone masters of the Order of Lorelei can use Dothic phonic arts.
Oh, that sucks.
But with a capacity core equipped, you can learn special abilities. Use it well, and you'll be strong enough.
How's it look?
It looks good on you, Luke.
Cool. Now I can get stronger too.
At least your muscles will.
Enemies! Opulent power! First aid!
This isn't good.
Opulent power! First aid! Opulent power! First aid!
We're all right.
Just stay dead. That was too easy. Nobody can beat us.
Don't blame me if your excitement leads to pain. That must be the Queen.
The Queen?
Ligers live in packs formed around a giant female.
Mew, please go talk with the Liger Queen.
Yes, sir! Mew! Mew, 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 mew! Mew, mew!
Are you all right?
Hey, Runt! What did she say?
She says her eggs are just about to hatch, so go away. Her Highness is really mad that I accidentally burnt their home.
Eggs? Ligers lay eggs?
I was born from an egg, too. A lot of monsters are born from eggs.
This is bad. Ligers are more violent when they're guarding their eggs.
So what, do we come back later?
But if the Liger eggs hatch, the young will likely swarm the village in search of food.
Huh?
Liger young like human flesh, so people hunt down any near cities before they can reproduce.
Could you ask them to leave this land?
Yes, sir. Mew! Mew, mew, mew! Thank you!
Don't get me wrong, I wasn't protecting you, I was protecting Ion.
She says she's going to kill us and feed us to her children!
Here she comes. Phone Master, please step back with Mew.
Wait, if we fight here, the eggs might break.
It may be cruel, but that would probably be for the best. If we leave the eggs and they hatch, the young could easily wipe Ingave out entirely.
Look out! The Queen!
Damn it! What the hell? It's not dying!
This isn't good. Our attacks aren't hurting it at all.
So do something!
Allow me.
Who are you?
Leave the inquiry for later. I'll use phonic arts to take care of this. You make sure I have time to cast.
You can't order me.
Let's leave this to him. We'll buy time by taking on the Liger Queen. Don't let her attacks hit him.
I know!
Combat the alien spirits of the earth. Sunlight! That's my enemy.
Good.
Rainbird!
First aid!
Arise, O violent waters, to rout mine enemies!
Careful, that was a powerful attack.
You watch out! Well, that was pitiful.
Whoa! Did you see that?
He's definitely not an ordinary phonist.
Anis, could I speak to you for a moment?
Yes, Colonel. Did you call me? Okay, understood. In exchange, you have to keep a good eye on Ion.
This left a bad taste in my mouth.
You're quite kind, or perhaps just soft.
And you're cold.
Oh dear, lovers quarrel?
Shut up!
Colonel Curtis, we don't have that sort of relationship.
I'm joking, and please, call me Jade. I'm not accustomed to being called by my family name.
Jade, I'm sorry for running off and doing this.
It's unlike you to do something like this when you know it's wrong.
Together with Yulia, the Cheagles are the foundation of the Order of Lorelei. I felt I had to take responsibility for any trouble they had caused.
And that's why you used your power? Didn't the doctor tell you not to?
I'm sorry.
And you've involved civilians as well.
Hey, old man, he's apologizing, right? Give him a break.
Oh, I expected you to complain about being dragged into this. I'm a bit surprised.
So am I.
Well, we don't have much time anyway. I'll stop the lecture at that.
The letter arrived, didn't it?
Yes. Now, let's go ahead and get out of this forest.
No! We have to report to the Elder!
A Cheagle speaking a human language?
It's the power of the Sorcerer's Ring. Jade, could we stop by the Cheagles' home?
All right, but please don't forget that we haven't much time.
Luke, thank you for your help. Please, join me for just a little longer.
Well, I've come this far. Might as well.
Mew, 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 mew.
Mew! Mew, mew, mew!
It's quite amusing to watch monsters talk like this.
They're so cute.
Huh? You say something?
No. Mew told me what happened. You met with great danger on our behalf. We are grateful that you have kept your promise even after 2,000 years.
Of course, aiding the Cheagles is part of Yulia's teaching.
But the original cause of all this was Mew burning the Liger's home. So I will have Mew atone for his mistake. What are you going to do? I will exile Mew from our tribe.
That's too cruel.
Naturally, I don't mean forever. I hear that Master Luke saved Mew's life. Cheagles do not forget their debts. Mew will serve Master Luke for one cycle of seasons.
Hey, I'm not involved in this.
Mew insists upon accompanying you, Master Luke. I leave it up to you to decide what to do with him. Why not take him along?
I don't need a pet.
Cheagles are the sacred beasts of the Order of Lorelei. I'm sure he'd be well received by your family.
I guess I could give him to Guy and the others as a souvenir.
I'll do my best to be useful, Master.
Oh, you're so annoying.
Well, it appears his report has ended. Let's leave the forest.
Who died and made him boss?
This looks like fun.
I won't allow business.
O Lord of the Earth, bring forth the fangs of the mighty dragon. Drown them! Well, you did your best. Oh, are you done fighting already? This looks like fun.
That's right.
Sonic! Shall we be on our way?
Hey, isn't that your bodyguard?
Yes, that's Anis.
Welcome back.
Greetings, Anis. What's the status of the Tartarus?
It's in front of the forest, just like you asked. You said to hurry, so we came as fast as we could.
Hey, what's going on?
Restrain those two. They're the ones who've been emitting the 7th phonons.
Jade, don't do anything to hurt them.
Don't worry, we won't kill them. Assuming they don't resist. Be good, kids. Take them away. The 7th phonon hyperresonance came from the direction of the capital of Kimloska Landvaldir and converged inside Malkuth territory near Tataru Valley. Now, if you two were the source of that hyperresonance, that would make you guilty of illegally crossing the border into our country, wouldn't it?
Geez, you're obnoxious.
He called you obnoxious.
I'm terribly hurt. But moving on, Tyr. We already know you're with the Oracle Knights. But what about you, Luke? What's your full name?
Luke von Fabra. I'm the Luke you idiots tried to kidnap.
The son of Duke Fabra, who married into the Kimloskan royal family?
A duke? Oh.
Why are you in Malkuth? And what's this about a kidnapping? That doesn't sound very pleasant.
We're here only because our 7th phonons caused a hyperresonance. It wasn't an act of aggression against Malkuth by House Fabra.
Colonel, I believe Tyr is telling the truth. I don't feel any hostility from him.
Yes, it does seem he's lived a sheltered life, completely ignorant of the world outside.
Huh, fine. Make fun of me.
Actually, why don't we ask for their help?
We're headed for Kimloska under orders from His Majesty Peony the Ninth, Emperor of Malkuth.
To declare war?
Wait, what? Are you saying a war's gonna start?
You've got it backwards, Luke. We're trying to prevent a war from breaking out.
Anis, that's not public information.
Trying to prevent a war? Are relations between Kimloska and Malkuth really that bad?
I think you're the only one who doesn't know.
You know, you're obnoxious too.
We're going to release you now. I'll grant you permission to enter any area you wish, apart from those containing military secrets. First, learn a little about us. Then if you feel you can trust us, we'd like to ask your help, so that we might prevent this war.
If you want us to help you, why don't you just tell us what's going on?
If we were to explain and then you decided not to cooperate with us, we would be forced to hold you captive.
What?
This matter is a state secret. That's why I'm urging you to make up your mind first. I hope we have your understanding.
I'm sure they'll tell you the details after you agree to help. I'll be waiting.
Luke, I'd so love to go places with you.
Please come talk to me if you're willing to assist the Colonel.
Why don't we take a walk around the ship? I think even you'll start to get an idea of what's going on in the world.
Let's